Hey, welcome. This is Creator from We Shoot Films, and I want to introduce to you my first ever digital product called Greenscreen Essentials Part 1 for Unreal Engine. Greenscreen Essentials is the perfect thing for you to have in order to learn how to place your lighting and your subject in the proper place to get the best key. I teach you your camera settings, I teach you some lighting techniques, I teach you the do's and the don'ts with a few tips in between. I teach you how to key out a full body and also teach you how to minimize the shadows that are at the feet, because those could really be a problem at times. I also teach you how to animate your mask in case that problem ever comes up. Then once we're done learning and keying out everything and animating mask, we go to PNG sequences. I show you how to export PNG sequences out of After Effects in 2 different ways. I also show you some lighting techniques and how to create more of a dark, moody vibe. And last but not least, we import the green screen into Unreal Engine, and there you go. I also include all of the green screen files for you to practice on your own with or to follow along. Again, I appreciate everybody in the community who support me, who support my tutorials and everything about We Shoot Films on this YouTube channel. And I'm hoping to grow more, create more products that's going to, again, bring you more value so that you can do more, learn more. So until we see each other again, you know what I'm going to say. It is what it is. I'm out.